Good morning, fellas. This morning's lesson, or during this morning's lesson, obviously I'm not there. I want you to finish your sheets. Once you have finished your sheets, then go to the class page. Obviously, you're going to need headphones already. And then select properties of substances. That's what we're doing now. And as you do, you go through here. I want you to select 2.4. Okay. And I want you to view these videos that are here for this section. I want you to have a look at those. If you finish with those, I want you to go back, and then we're going to have a look at revision. So you can click on class help, and class help will bring up these videos on the sections that we've done. So make sure that you have a look at these and understand these. And once you have gone through those, then you can come back and we will be looking at revision. And I want you to have a look at the revision questions. This is only if you get time. And once the document is open, this is the document. And these are the revision questions that we will be doing for each of the sections in Chapter 2. Probably won't get a chance to start them this morning, but you can choose to start them in your book as normal handwritten work, or you can do them as a Word document. In both instances, of course, they'll be done the same way. Okay, fellas, thank you very much. I'll see you soon.